down on your limbs with golden teeth. Sets fires to homes she used to know.
Yes, I'm gonna stay with him tonight. I'll see you in the morning. No, of course he won't drink and drive. Can you say bye to mom for me? Oh, you'll like him, he's really kind. And he's funny, like you sometimes. And I found someone I really like, maybe for the first time. No, I don't need a jacket, it's not that cold tonight. And you worry, I get it, but he's waiting outside. Driving to the airport, not just me you pick up anymore. I've got 8 days off coming up, and I can only come home for 4. Yeah, I just met his family, they're just like you and mom. Oh no, he makes me really happy. I think he might be the one. Oh, I swear on my heart that he's a good man. I promise he loves me, he never hurt me. Yeah, held me so tight, now someone else can. But you were the first man that really loved me. Now you're on the driveway faking a smile. You wish you could tell him he doesn't deserve me. So I had to stop the car and turn around and tell you you were the first man that really loved me. And before they open up the doors, I say I've never seen you cry before. You say you've never looked so beautiful. You know I'll always be your